In today's quick video, I'm gonna show you how to peel a sweet potato with and without a peeler. Hey, I'm Laura, and on my channel, I create lots of short, quick how-to videos like this one, as well as sharing my family's favorite recipes. If that's your jam, hit that red subscribe button so you and I can cook or learn something together twice a week. So here I have some sweet potatoes that I've already washed, scrubbed a little bit, got all the dirt out, rinsed and patted dry. And the first thing we want to do to peel a sweet potato is remove the ends. I feel that this makes it so much easier. And for the job, I used a large kitchen knife. The reason I had you cut the tips of the sweet potatoes, because if you're using a peeler, it's really easy for the peeler to then catch the skin on the end. And as you can see, I'm just going up and down from the top of one end to the other end, and I go and rotate my sweet potato at the same time. Now, I get that some sweet potatoes have knobs or they're not all the same shape, but when you trim the ends, it makes it really easy to grab the skin. One quick tip is that I like to start from one end and go all the way to the end. You often see people peeling really fast like this. I feel like that takes a lot longer, and you're probably peeling more than you need. By the way, if you find tips like this one helpful, make sure to give this video a thumbs up so I know to always add them on my channel for you. So I'm sure you're wondering, what if I don't have a peeler to do the job? You're gonna use this, what's called a paring knife. This is the smallest knife in your entire block. But guess what? I am also going to trim those ends of the sweet potato, even if I'm gonna use a knife, because it makes it easier to handle. And then, just like with the peeler, I'm gonna start at the very top on the edge and start peeling away. Check out where my thumb is placed. It's right in front of it, and I'm not doing big, brisk peels. I'm going really slow all the way around or up and down. If you're not an experienced knife user, I highly recommend going around the sweet potato, peeling smaller pieces so you don't cut yourself. This is literally how our grandparents probably peeled all their potatoes and sweet potatoes by using a small knife. And just like that, we just peeled a sweet potato with and without a peeler. Make sure to check the links below this video. See you guys next time.